Živijo folk. Danes bom mačkam drugačen video, zaradi tega, ko bom govorila v angleščini, ker sem zadnji dobila en komentar glede tega in sem rekla, ok, let's just do it, a ne? Zdaj bom switchala na angleščino, spodaj tukaj bojo podnapisi, bodo še vse enako razumeli, če boste hoteli, če ne pa nič. Welcome to my first English video since 2017 probably, and if everyone just clicked off, this video is just for you, Eleni, because I know you're still watching because you've been begging me to do an English video since day one. If you don't know who Eleni is, she's my friend from Greece. She does not speak Slovene, she speaks Greek and English. This is the only video you're gonna understand, and I'm sorry. I would switch fully English for you, but I also, you know... Anyway, I'm nervous as I switch accents. I have no idea how bad my actual English accent is. Let's just get into it, okay? Another special thing that I'm doing today is I am going to be using mostly my makeup that I bought in Japan because there's a lot of it, and I've been putting off this video since I got back from Japan because I've been too lazy. So the first product that I'm gonna use I did not buy it in Japan. It's Korean makeup. I'll probably link it down below because I got this as a gift from the company Misha, and it's a really great product, I must say. This is just gonna be a simple daily makeup tutorial because I'm not going anywhere. It's literally 6 p.m. right now. The only thing I'll be doing with this makeup is washing it off after I'm done. The emphasis is on my English, okay? It's not on the makeup today. Now I'm getting my brushes and I'm going to use this thick one to blend this out. I will be blending it with my beauty blender. I need to slow down with talking, okay? If you're wondering what this amazing hoodie is, it's my new merch, which you can get on the link down below. I also have the limited edition, Vlogmas edition merch for $33.99. So click the link and get it so you can get it as a Christmas present. That is a great Christmas present, go get it. This is actually not foundation, this is BB cream, but it works as foundation. So now I'm taking the beauty blender. I'm gonna wet it, nice and delicious, and blend some more. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really happy with how my skin looks right now because I haven't been drinking milk for I think about a month now, and it really got great. Also, my skin gets really great when I'm on my period. I just had it, so my skin glowing. You can't see it on camera, but in real life it's pretty fucking dope. Next up we have, I don't have the Japanese version. This will do. I didn't buy this in Japan, but this is like a classic. I always use this one. Do not need to use this much because I'm not going anywhere. Blend it just a little bit. What if this video gets more views than anything else and I finally switch to English? That would be amazing. That would be life-changing. Probably not. So let's continue. Next we are taking the contour. This is V shading. It's nice and cool, as you can see, because I am really pissed off at the Slovene stores because I think most of their contouring stuff is very yellow and orange, and it doesn't like I think I have like cool skin and everything oxidizes on my skin anyway, so it turns out looking very orange. And I found this one in Japan because they use a lot of cool products, and I don't mean cool, I mean like cool. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I usually contour my nose a little bit, not a lot, but I'm not gonna overdo it today because I'm not in the mood for that. I could get a better light though. This light is awful. Let me get another light. Turns out I don't have another light, so you're gonna have to bear with me. What are we doing next? Next, let's do the eyebrows. And again, I'm not using a Japanese palette. This has got to be glued. It's not glued. It's just this brush. A lot of people use the gel to do this with their eyebrows, but I found this one to be so much easier. I haven't tried the other one on my brows. I usually use it for my wigs, and I use this one for my this swoopy thingy. But I guess it works the same. I should absolutely talk less if I'm gonna do subtitles. Next, I'm using another non-Japanese product, which is Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. And I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna draw my eyebrows on. I should spend another week in London just so I get my accent back, because this accent I have right now is horrible. Absolutely horrible. Jesus, I hate myself. Well, they're not twins, and they're definitely not sisters either. But they're mine, and I love them. Okay. I'm using an eyeshadow palette next. Japanese one. I think it's Japanese. Maybe it's Korean. Made in China. Great. And it looks like this. It's very tiny and very pretty. And I got it because of this painting. It's very cute. But inside we have these simple colors that are gonna... They're just like daily colors for eyeshadow. Jesus Christ, words. Why am I talking so much? I'm just gonna like darken up my lid a little bit. Nothing special, because once again, daily makeup, not glam. Why are my brushes dirty? Pro tip, clean your brushes. Let's say that's it. It's not pretty, but it doesn't matter. Next, I'm setting my face with the loose baking powder that I got in Primark, which is random, but it's good. So I don't know if it's the best setting powder, but it's really cheap. So if you're on a budget, it's good enough, you know. I'm gonna set my forehead so I don't get wrinkles. Why is my makeup turning out so horrible today? Next up, I'm using a very popular eyeliner that they use in Japan. It's Heroin Make Prime Liquid Eyeliner Rich Keep. It's super waterproof. I don't know about that, but it's not the best. I'm gonna be honest and I will say that this eyeliner, I've been using it since 2012, so almost 12 years. Not the same one. I buy a new one every couple of months. But this one is still the best eyeliner for the price. Best eyeliner ever. It's waterproof, it goes on easy, it's matte black. This one from Essence, yes. This one, I don't know, I don't think it's worth traveling to Japan to get it, okay? I'm just gonna do a little wing, just a tiny bit. That was not tiny. Okay, that's the eyeliner done. It's nice, but much better. Another really popular Japanese makeup product is this mascara. I personally think this Essence mascara much better. But for the sake of this video, let's just use this one. It's like putting nothing on my lashes. It's not dry, it's almost brand new. My eyelashes are so short and there's nothing on them. I can't with this mascara. I'm gonna show you this one on the other eye, how much better it is. I know, I messed it up a little, but Essence, Japan, no comment. And I've heard so many great things about this mascara and I'm totally disappointed. Next up, I'm going to be using a little bit of sparkle because I noticed Japanese makeup uses a lot of sparkles and I really wanted to get it because like every single palette you buy, it has amazing sparkles. This one, gorgeous. But they also have these liquid eyeshadow glitter and just look. I think this is my favorite product that I got because glitter is my favorite thing in the world, but when it comes to makeup, I'm like, it sparkles. And then for highlighter, I got this one. It's like liquid and it's not too much, it's very subtle. Well, it is if you put a lot on. It gives you a nice glowy look and I think I did it wrong, but I'm gonna put a little less on this side. This is how you're supposed to use it. A lot less. There you see? Ooh, it shows up really well on camera. In real life, it looks a lot more tame. I didn't get blush. I'm not gonna use blush. This product doesn't mix well with foundation, with this loose foundation underneath, but we're gonna ignore that for today. So another product that I fell in love with while in Japan is lip tints. I found so many of these and you cannot find a good one in Slovenia at all. I've searched everywhere and I can't get one. So I got two in two different shades and I'm gonna use this one today. And it stays on so freaking well. There's a little chap right now and I hope it's gonna come out good. And it smells nice. I would put gloss over it, but I didn't get any gloss in Japan. So I'm not gonna do that. That is pretty much it. Oh. Also got this. This is stick shadow. I'm gonna use it on my lower lid, just a little bit. There you go. And then this product that you've already seen in my previous vlog, it's this thingy for flyaways or for your bangs. And if you got bangs, you're gonna love Japan. Every single girl in Japan has bangs and they look fucking banging, and they know how to deal with bangs, they know how to do the bangs. And one thing I really love that I got is this little tiny hair straightener which straightens your bangs perfectly. I was so scared when I got it because I didn't know what plug it would have, but it has a USB, so no worries. I'm not gonna do my bangs today, but if I would definitely use this thingy to like pin them down so they don't fly away. But I also use this to do my edges. I know not a lot of people do it. I'm so disappointed that it's not a trend, because it makes any ponytail or hair just look so much better. It looks so polished and sleek. And I would use some black eyeshadow on here, but I'm not gonna do that today. And then for any flyaways, I just slip it back. You can get this in Slovene stores, but the brush, it's a bit too small in comparison. Huge difference. But it also works the same. I also do like the sideburns, sleek them back. Look how much better this haircut looks. Before, after. What? I think that's it for this tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial. It was more like what I got in Japan. I'm gonna be doing more of these, but this was just a combination of English, Japanese makeup, whatever. I'm not gonna be reading questions today. I'm gonna be reading them tomorrow, so if you got any questions, leave them down below. And subscribe to my channel and check out my merch, and especially my limited edition merch. Link is down in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another Vlogmas. Bye!
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not call on yours Jedi. The Empire is coming to town. We have a Death Star, we've tested it twice, tracking down rebels and ending their lives. The Empire is coming to town.
I have a very bad feeling about this.